Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to show battery percentage on status bar. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Here let's find battery, and the second option we've got battery percentage on status bar. Now it is off, so we are seeing only the battery icon, but after tapping on the switcher we can see the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. And if you want to leave only battery icon just like it was, simply tap on the switcher again and here you are. But let me turn it on because it's quite useful. So that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.